Hello guys, welcome to my technology. So today I show you guys how to add arrow or add any shapes into the Photoshop easy way without drawing. So first of all, you're gonna go to a website which is called prepick.com. I will place this in the description so you can check it out. You go to this website and you can type any shape that you want here. For example, I want search arrow. Okay, so don't know about this. Say if I wanna shape this, wanna get this arrow, then you can remove the background or you can download it. Except I want to remove background. Some files have the file Photoshop, so you can open that Photoshop and do many things. Double it. So we'll come up here. This don't have the file Photoshop, just say file PNG. So grab this one to Photoshop. See here. It's similar to it's another shape. See. Okay. So you can change that color. You can change this color. Look, just go here. Color overlay here. Okay. Okay, so you get this one. You can change to green or some. Okay. So that's how you can track a very simple shape. Or you can get another shape here. Use back here, download here. This one might contain our Photoshop. Save to other places. Okay, shit, desktop. Start up, go back folder. See here you can see on Photoshop, just open that one. And you can drag this. Somehow so Control T. Somehow from Photoshop, some don't. So it doesn't have. So you can drag to any position that you want. Do this. Okay, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is very beneficial for you guys. Please subscribe.